Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is what is Joint Parliamentary Committee? Why in news? The government has recently agreed to refer One Nation One Election bills to the Joint Parliamentary Committee for wider consultations. The Union Law Minister tabled the Constitution 129th Amendment Bill 2024 and the Union Territories Law Amendment Bill 2024 in the Lok Sabha to enable simultaneous polls. About the Joint Parliamentary Committee. The JPC is an ad hoc committee set up by the Parliament to conduct a thorough examination of a specific subject or bill. It consists of members from both houses and the ruling and opposition parties. However, the number of members and composition of the JPC are not limited. The JPC is dissolved after the examination is completed. The JPC's recommendations are advisory and the government is not required to abide by its decision. The committee can also gather evidence from experts and consult public bodies, associations, individuals, and other interested parties. Some of the cases in which JPC were formed include Bofors Scandal 1987, Harshad Mehta Stock Market Scam 1992, Ketan Parekh Share Market Scam 2001, National Register of Citizens NRC 2016, Personal Data Protection Bill 2019. What are committees of Parliament? A parliamentary committee is a panel of MPs that is appointed or elected by the House or nominated by the Speaker or Chairman. The committee works under the direction of the Speaker or Chairman and it presents its report to the House or to the Speaker or Chairman. Parliamentary committees have their origins in the British Parliament. They draw their authority from Article 105 and Article 118. Article 105 deals with the privileges of MPs. Article 118 gives Parliament the authority to make rules to regulate its procedure and conduct of business. What are the various committees of Parliament? India's Parliament has multiple types of committees. They can be differentiated on the basis of their work, their membership, and the length of their tenure. However, broadly there are two types of parliamentary committees, standing committees and ad hoc committees. The standing committees are permanent, constituted every year or periodically, and work on a continuous basis. Standing committees can be classified into the following 6 categories: financial committees, departmental standing committees, committees to inquire, committees to scrutinize and control, committees relating to the day-to-day business of the House, housekeeping committee or service committees. While the ad hoc committees are temporary and cease to exist on completion of the task assigned to them. They are further subdivided into inquiry committees and advisory committees. The principal ad hoc committees are the select and joint committees on bills. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about parliamentary committees. Parliamentary committees have their origins in the US Constitution. They draw their authority from Article 104 and Article 114. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.